Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Farooq Ahmed, lecturer English, now of Sirajullah College, Mirpur, Kustia. Online class. Welcome to online class. English paper 1 for all first year students. At first, I will discuss marks distribution for classes 11 to 12. My topic is marks distribution for classes 11 to 12. For reading test, 60 marks. Here, MCQ questions gauging meaning from context. 5. Comprehension questions 10. Here, open-ended questions relating to analysis, synthesis and evaluation. Here 10. First, scene passage. Second scene passage, information transfer / flowchart, 10 marks. Third scene passage, summarizing, 10 marks. Totally 3 scene passages from the text, 35 marks. Next, cloze test with clues, 5 marks. Cloze test without clues, 10 marks. Rearranging, 10 marks. So, totally 60 marks on reading. Next, writing, 40 marks. Writing paragraph, answering questions, 10. Completing a story, 7. Writing informal letters / email, 5. Analyzing maps / graph charts, 10. Appreciating short stories / poems. Identify theme, subject matters, and interpretation, 8. Totally, if we count the marks, totally it will be 100 marks. So, first scene passage, MCQ and open-ended questions relating to analysis, synthesis and evaluation. First scene passage, there will be 15 marks. So, students, MCQ will be set for testing a number of strategies and skills related to reading, such as scanning, skimming, reading for gist, inferencing, guessing the meaning from the context, comprehension checks, etc. Each MCQ will carry 1 marks. Students, for first scene passage, you have to learn a lot of vocabularies, that is word meaning. If you learn a lot of vocabularies and word meaning and synonym and antonym of each words, it will be very easy for you for MCQ question. Next, okay. Next, open-ended question relating to analysis, synthesis and evaluation, 10 marks. From the first scene passage, there will be 5 questions. Each question carries 2 marks. So, 5 questions carry 10 marks. This question will be on W is word. Third, information transfer / flowchart, 10 marks. Information transfer / flowchart 10 marks. For information transfer, the question setter should make it sure that the students can just copy without understanding them when they put written text into another form, such as a table or vice versa. Moreover, a student has to keep in mind that this test item or task should encourage deep processing of information. Here, students must read the passage attentively and think it deeply on each sentence. In a box, there will be some words or phrases. By following some words or phrases, box number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In box 1 will be written on the question. The student will write 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 by following the first box. That is flowchart. Or information, the question may be on two ways, information or transfer. Next, third synthesis, summarizing. 10 marks. So here the students at first the student must read the third synthesis, that is on summarizing. Read attentively, read the passage attentively. In a summary, the original text is usually cut to about 1/3. The summary will be 1/3 of the whole passage. Therefore, please at first the student has to please choose the text carefully so that they can answer the questions in the given time. The student should mention not only the main ideas without examples, repetitions or quotations. If you have to take it from the textbook, modify or tailor it to your need if necessary. In summary, a student must not write examples, repetitions or quotations. Without this, he or she must write the summary. Close test with clue, 5 marks. Close test here, close test with clue. This question may be from text or textual or non-textual. Here, students must learn every word meaning of the given box above the question. Next, he or she will know its word meaning and what kind of part of speech each word is. Here, there is the option that a student may change the word according to the demand of sentence. Close test. Next, close test without clue, 10 marks. Close test without clue may be set up from the text or non-text. For answering the question, a student must learn a lot of vocabularies. If he learns a lot of vocabularies, he will be able to answer this close test without clue. Next, rearranging, 10 marks. At first, select or write a text of 10 sentences where they are sequenced in an unchangeable order, written them incoherently in the form of detached sentences. The question will rearrange them in proper order. While rearranging, an examinee or a student does not need to reproduce the text in the answer script. Writing the letters or marks such as A, B, D, B, D, A for etc. is enough. Here numbering is so much essential, very much essential not to write the paragraph. Writing or composition 40 marks. There is the students, the paragraph may be textual or non-textual, or on current situation or past historical incident. The students will write the paragraph in the usual format using topics, support and concluding sentences. The answers to the questions will give them the content only. They have to organize the materials on their own. The paragraph will be according to the question, answering questions. Next, completing story, 7 marks. The question setter will begin the story in a few lines. The students will develop the idea and complete the story using their imagination or creativity. As this item is designed to test the students' creativity, the students will vary. In fact, in the examiner's checklist, imagination and ideas should be given more importance than the linguistic items. For completing a story, a students must write according to next item, according to first line. The story may be imaginative or any creativity. Writing informal letters / email, 5 marks. So in an informal letter, the examinees should be careful about, or the students or examiners should be careful about appropriate greetings. A student has to check whether the introductory sentence states the reason he is writing, which will be developed in the main body or the later into 1 or 2 paragraphs. The concluding paragraph can be very small, which sums up the later and expresses the writer's willingness to continue the correspondence. A student can also thank his recipient for favor, prompt reply, etc. Finally, there should be a suitable ending of informal letter or email. In an informal letter, a student will put a date or signature. Next, analyzing maps, graphs, charts, 10 marks. Analyzing maps, oblique graphs, oblique chart, 10 marks. Graphs or charts should be authentic or realistic. Teachers or we may collect charts from various sources such as newspapers. These maps or graph charts or charts may be from newspapers, magazines, books, or from the internet. However, they can make simple charts by themselves using authentic data. Here students must write maps or graph chart or charts. In their writing, the idea must be authentic. Otherwise, they will not be able to cut a good figure on this question. Next, last question. Appreciating short stories, poems, identify theme, subject matter and interpretation. 8 marks. Here, while appreciating a story or a poem, the students will find out the theme only. Therefore, the size of the answers does not matter. The theme in a text is the underlining message. Therefore, the students will try to find out the author's critical belief about life which transcends cultural barriers. Subject matter. Poems or poetry may be from text or it may be from text or non-textual. The student must write major theme of the poems. Then, if we totally count MCQ question, comprehension passage, information transfer, summarizing, close test with clue, close test without clue, rearranging, writing paragraph, completing story, writing informal letters, analyzing maps, graphs or charts, appreciating short stories. On this question, if we count totally, it will be 100 marks. So students, today I will discuss marks distribution for classes 11 to 12 on first part, totally question. What kind of questions may be set from for English first part. A student must guess or must capture the question's view or idea on English first part. Then he will practice accordingly. Then 3 scene passages, close test with clue, close test without clue, rearranging. Next, writing or composition parts, paragraph, completing story, writing informal letter, oblique email, analyzing maps, graph charts, appreciating short stories, poems, etc. etc. Today, I will totally discuss syllabus on first part, 100 marks. For the next class, I will discuss first scene passage on 15 marks. For the next online class, I will discuss on first scene passage, that is MCQ question and comprehension questions. 15 marks. 15 marks. I will discuss first scene passage accordingly on 15 marks. So now I want to end my class. For the next class I will inshallah I will discuss fast scene passage. Thank you. Wait for the next online class. Goodbye.